Hi, this is Gabriel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a bot that tracks Polygon transactions from wallets and sends alerts to Telegram, either your Telegram user or to a Telegram group. So let's go. We'll start by using this recipe here. So just click on use this recipe. And then a couple of things that we need to do. First, we need to paste here the address or the wallet address that we want to track. You can use one or multiple addresses. If it's just one, that's it. If you want to use multiple, just add a comma here and add the other. Add the comma and then add the other addresses just after the comma. So I will just use one. I don't need to track multiple. Then next step is to allow Boto to send messages to your Telegram. So we'll do that by clicking here on Add New Handler. And if this is the first time that you do this, I click here on Open in Web. And then you can click here on Start and you'll have this message from Boto. So if you want to send messages to your own Telegram user, that's it. You can go back and select the handler that is now available. But usually you'll want to send messages to a group. So I'll create a group here. And I will invite Boto to this group. Okay, that's a key part. And then group name, Gabriel and Boto, cool. And then simple thing, we enter the command auth followed by your email. In this case, this is my email. And this allows Boto to know that you have authorized it to send messages to this group. Okay? So then we can go back to the bot, click here on refresh list, and find the name of the group, which was Gabriel Boto.io. So that's it. Once that is done, we click here on Save Boto and turn it on. So that's about it. Another detail that might interest you, you can filter which transactions are alerted for. So you can filter them to alert only when this address receives a transaction, so an ingoing transaction or an outgoing transaction, so made by this address or this wallet. In this case, I'll keep any because this is what I want to do here.